Online Professional Services Cooperative is because I believe that this is a cooperative that all Filipino online professionals own, control, and manage.
So, the reason kaya po ako sumali sa FOPSCo, kailangan natin ng isang sistema, isang samahan na makakatulong sa bawat isa.
This cooperative is a group na pwede silang sumama para mas magabayan sila sa kanilang freelancing journey.
Ako sumali dihan sa FOPSCo kasi para makabulig ako sa ato kapwa mga freelancers, and ito talaga ang passion and my mission.
I joined FOPSCo kasi for me, lahat ng ginagawa ko sa FOPSCo is a privilege ko siya tinitignan eh. Kasi once in a lifetime in history na bigyan ka ng chance na mag-contribute.
Stepping stone na rin to para maabot yung goal.
The vision of the organization aligns with my personal vision, which is to develop and nurture an organization within Zamboanga City that provides much needed support for our online workers.
I joined FOPSCo because the people I've met have the same values, vision, and mission as mine, and that is to provide assistance to those who would like to jumpstart their career as a freelancer.
One of the reasons why I joined FOPSCo is because as a freelancer, I think it's important for us to have access to training, whether free or paid.
Wanted our individual reputations to have a collective reputation for excellence.
I wanted to be part of an organization that would be a pioneer group of individuals who will be working to promote online freelancing here in the Philippines.
The reason why I joined this organization is that I saw their mission and vision towards helping all Filipino freelancers.
I choose FOPSCo because we learn and grow as a community to help also others.
Feel more safe and secure knowing that my knowledge and skills will only come from the most renowned and experienced online freelancers and racketeras here in the Philippines.
I joined FOPSCo because I saw the potential growth is not just reaching one's goals and being successful, but there is camaraderie.
I am very inspired with their achievements and advocacy in promoting and helping Filipino freelancers.
Want to learn FOPSCo because of two things. Number one, I want to help freelancers to get a job. And number two, I want to learn more from you.
I hope that here we will all grow together.
We grow together.
All right. So that's a big yes. We really are growing together. So again, welcome to our webinar series tonight entitled Introduction to Data Science. So of course, this wouldn't be possible without the collaboration of FOPSCo Media and the FOPSCo, or the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative. Again, this webinar is for our FOPSCo members, the ICT graduates, and aspirant freelancers who want to upskill, explore, and acquire new skills when it comes to online professional industry. Of course, let me just remind you of the rules. Please put your phone on silence mode, mute unnecessary noise that can interfere our webinar, and we are seeking for your active participation with this session. And if you have any questions, you may type in or comment in your questions in the chat box. By the way, we are live in Facebook FB page. So that's why, hi sa lahat ng nanood. Enjoy watching this webinar. Okay, so with that, I guess everything is set up now. Let me call on Miss Sydney Vanessa Dato. Hi, Sydney. Good evening.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. By the way, Sydney is our newest member of the FOPSCo Academy. So go on, take the presenter's mic to introduce our speaker for tonight. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Salamat po ulit. At muli magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, especially sa ating FB Live viewers. So, it's Tuesday again at welcome po sa FOPSCo Academy. We're here to give everyone free webinars to learn so we can grow together professionally in this online world. Ayan. At tonight po ay talaga namang napaka-loading ng ating guest speaker because despite of being living with cerebral palsy, talaga namang hindi ito naging hadlang para maging successful siya. She also inspires me during my FDM training. Kaya naman, it's my honor to formally introduce her to all of you. She graduated with a bachelor's degree in information technology at AMA Computer College-Binan Campus. She's now working at the City Government of Binan as a writer and an IT specialist. That's why she's forever thankful to the city for giving her a chance to show her worth in spite of the discrimination around her. She also a graduating student taking up a Master of Science in Information Technology at University of Perpetual Health System, also in Laguna. She was a former trainee of the Department of Information and Communication Technology and now she's training to be a data scientist as a Project Sparta Scholar of the DOST. She's an author, tutor, IT specialist, content writer, inspirational speaker, and minister. Diba? Name it and she have it. She started her YouTube channel called Love Racqui last year. She was also awarded as 1075 Tagumpay at Kagitingan Icon. She was invited by different organizations and government agencies to talk about her drive to be successful in her field. Currently, she handles social media marketing to several offices in the city of Binan. Aside from that, she is also the social media manager of Soro Optimist International Alabang, Go Forward Binan Foundation, and Binan City Fitness Club. She was also volunteered at She Loves Data, an international tech organization, as their website lead and graphics designer. She is also an facilitator of Young Adult Ministry of Jesus Christ Rules Bible Christian Church. Trained by She Loves Data, TIBCO, and Singapore Management University, she gained an international certification for dashboard specialist. She is also planning to pursue her PhD in IT as soon as she graduated from her master's degree. So let us all welcome our proud FOPSCo member, Miss Racquel Sarah A. Castro. Welcome po, Miss Racquel, and congratulations also to your successful event last week called Hack for Binan. Hello po.
Hi, Miss Rax. Magandang hapon. Welcome to FOPSCo Academy. Finally, napagbigyan mo kami. Alam ko, busy-busy ka lagi.
Correct.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Pakita ka naman, Miss Rax. Say hi sa lahat ng ating mga nanonood and later on mag-present ka na ng inyong presentation for introduction of data science. Hello and good afternoon and good evening sa lahat.
Good evening.
Okay, so ready ka na ba, Miss Rax?
Yes.
Ready na. Okay, so I guess it's time for us to present the presentation of Miss Racquel Castro. Thank you again for giving us the time and mag-share ng inyong skills and knowledge with us. Lodi natin to si Miss Racquel. Okay.
Yes.
So, wait lang natin ang kanyang
Hi guys. It's me. Nagtitingin na ba kayo? So, I will be discussing the introduction to data science. So, let's see kasi para din makita nyo yung slide. So, bye for now. Okay. So let me introduce myself. I am Racquel Castro, and I'm the specialist of the Data and Development Office ng Binan. I am a proud FOPSCo member. So, pare-pare lang tayo. Racquel Sarah A. Nagdarahat ako sa pagiging content writer, programmer, and social media strategist. So, web development din ako. So, ayun. Ito yung profile ko. I am an IT specialist, a certified dashboard specialist, an e-governance advocate, and MSIT candidate. So, malapit na akong graduate this June 2. Hindi pa ako nag-differentiate, and I will schedule the defense siguro by 15. So, pag-pray niyo ako. So, I am a Sheila data volunteer. I am now the holding for the Punila chapter, and I am involved in the website of the organization. So, social media strategist din ako. I handle social media accounts for different organizations all over the globe. So, and the Philippines. So, I am an inspirational speaker, a minister, and an author with Cerebral Palsy. Kaya po ako sa charity. So, our discussion point, what should you know about data science? So, bakit data science yung kailangan matutunan? What is data science, scientific method, and why is it important in a data science project? And then, data science versus, what do you call this? Business intelligence. And then, what does a data scientist do? Let's first discuss why data science. So data is the new class of the 21st century. Everyone has it. Protecting their data is their responsibility. So bakit mo responsibilidad? Kasi bawat click mo ng accept yung mga terms ng mga websites, binibigyan mo sila ng access sa data mo. So it is your responsibility to protect your data. Okay? Like, ako lang. So, why data science? There are needs for data professionals. Siguro, it is the ability to process and interpret data. So, gagawin insights ng data. And then, yung insights na yun, magiging decision na ng company. Noong nakaraan, nung nag-discuss ako about data, napag-aralan namin yung good data versus opinion. So, di-discuss po natin yan next time. So, enable companies to make decisions based on the insights and information that is from the raw data. Ano ba yung raw data na tinatawag? Ano ba yung information na tinatawag? Yung raw data, ayun yung mga unprocessed na information. Unprocessed data. Kasi walang gumagalaw. May mga errors yan. May mga misspelled words. Kaya po, kailangan i-process yung data. Kasi, kailangan maging clean muna yung data. So, meron tayong data cleaning na tinatawag. May data visualization na tinatawag. Let's discuss that further. So, what is data science? Data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of math and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. So, ayun na po yung process, extract meaningful insights from data. So, data science practitioners like me apply machine learning algorithms to numbers text, video, audio, and more to produce artificial intelligence systems that perform tasks that or or ordinarily require human intelligence. So, ang machine learning po at ang AI po, iba yan. So, when you say machine learning, you're trying to train the computer about what decision to make, like chatbot, machine learning po. So, ang AI naman, more on human decision. Iba po yun na. So, example po ito ng data visualization. So, nakita na po natin kung napaghiwalay na yung male at yung female. Hindi po nakikita yung mga pangalan nila, yung mga preference nila. Depende po sa inyo kung ano yung ipapakita nyo. Kasi ang mga boss po kasi, like yung boss ko, halimbawa, gusto nila results na hindi mo na ipapakita yung raw data mo. Gusto nila makita na nila lahat. So, ayun po yung ginagawa ng data practitioners, data analysts, data stewards, ganyan. So, next. Okay. So, scientific method. Sino po yung nag-science ng elemental? Alam po to. Kasi, ang scientific method po, elemental pa lang napapag-aralan na natin yun. So, bakit importante ang scientific method sa data science pa? Kasi po, ganyan po yung process ng data science. Ganyan po. So, observation muna. And then research topic area. So, hypothesis, test with experiment, analyze data, and then report solution. So, ganun din po yung ginagawa namin when it comes to data. Nagko-collect po muna kami, and then nagsaselect kami ng mga topics na kailangan, halimbawa, sales lang ipapakita mo. Kaya marketing, o kaya insight. Ganyan. So, iti-test, magkakaroon ka ng hypothesis. Yung hypothesis po ay, ano po, either HO or HA. So, ano ba yung HO tsaka HA? Ako. Ang HO po ay at ang HA po muna ay alternative hypothesis. Tapos ang HO ay hypothesis mismo. So, once na na-formulate mo na yung hypothesis mo, magte-test ka base dun sa hypothesis mo. And then you will analyze the data na na-produce dun sa testing mo. Tapos magre-report ka na ng conclusion mo. Therefore, I conclude that ganyan. So, ganyan din po yung ginagawa namin sa data. Yan. So, data science versus business intelligence. Pala. Baliktad. So, kaya ang concept po ng business intelligence ay deals with data analysis on the business platform. When it comes to data science naman po, consists of several data operations in various domains. So, scope naman po tayo, BI analyze past data. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na historical o past data. When you say past data, parang no nakaraang data. So, yung past data sa data science, ina-analyze po siya para sa future prediction. Ito po yung pagkakaiba nila. So, nag-a-analyze lang po yung business intelligence habang yung sa data science ay nag-prepare po for future prediction. So, ang business intelligence po on data, handling static and structured data. While the data science is handling both structured and unstructured data that is also dynamic. So, di-discuss po natin yan sa mga susunod. Kung ano yung data, kung ano yung data operations, predictions, at structured data. When it comes to data storage, sa business intelligence po ay nag-store po sila sa data warehouses. So, ano ba yung data warehouse? Ayun po yung mga servers natin. Well, sa data science po, real-time yung data. And distributed. Sa procedure, help companies to solve questions. While yung data science naman ay questions are both curated and solved by data scientists. So, kapag po tools ang ginamit for business intelligence, ang mga tools po ay MS Excel, SAS BI, and Microsoft. When it comes to data science, it is Python or Spark, SAS, TensorFlow, and So, ano po yung pinagkaiba ng at po yung visualization niya? So, ang data science po, focuses on the picture, and then business intelligence focuses on the patch data. So, nakaraan versus hinaharap. Ayun. Parang lab lang yan. Nakaraan X. Hinaharap yung picture. Ayun. Kinikinig na wala. So, meron po silang dalawang similar. Data management at data visualization. So, nag-meet happy po sila dyan. Yan. Bibigay ko naman po yung slides ko. Kila Dennis. So, you could use it as a guide. Okay. So, ito po yung ginagawa namin as data scientists. So, asking the right questions to begin the discovery process. So, naalala niyo po yung scientific method na you have to observe and observation and the problem. So, maghahanap po tayo ng problema and then we will acquire data. And then we will process and clean data. So, lahat po yung ginagawa ng data scientist. So, integrate and store data. Initial data investigation and exploratory data analysis. So, dito, gumagamit po kami ng statistics. And then, choose one or more potential models and algorithms. So, yung algorithms po ay flow ng parang rule. Yung algorithm ay parang pattern. Yan. Pattern siya ng programming. Kung paano siya kikilos. Halimbawa, ako, sobrang gusto kong mag-YouTube. Halimbawa lang. Tapos, kailangan ko ng insight. So, yung YouTube, nag-create siya ng parang algorithm. Yun yung pinaka-flow ng system mo. Ayun po yun. May silang algorithm na tinatawag. So, apply data science techniques such as machine learning, statistical modeling, and artificial intelligence. So, dito na po yung programming science ng data scientist. Pag po nakaprogram na kami, and then we will measure and improve results. Tapos present final result to stakeholders. Ayun, gusto na ba? Baguhin pa natin, huwag na. Ayaw mo na. 11 po yan. Imagine nyo na lang na 11. Okay, so make adjustment based on feedback from the stakeholders. So repeat the process and solve a new problem. So paulit-ulit lang po namin. Yung next. Oh, tapos na pala. So let's learn data science and be a data-driven nation. So, may ipapanood po ako ng video sa inyo to end wait lang po, may nakalaban. So, ka muna ako. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang po. Kaya habang nag-aantay ko lang, sikahin ko muna kayo. Yung ito na po.
Are you one of the many who dreams of becoming a data scientist? Keep watching this video if you're passionate about data science, because we will tell you how does it really work under the hood. Emma is a data scientist. Let's see how a day in her life goes while she's working on a data science project. Well, it is very important to understand the business problem first. In her meeting with the clients, Emma asks relevant questions, understands and defines objectives for the problem that needs to be tackled. She is a curious soul who asks a lot of whys, one of the many traits of a good data scientist. Now, she gears up for data acquisition to gather and scrape data from multiple sources like web servers, logs, databases, APIs, and online repositories. Oh, it seems like finding the right data takes both time and effort. After the data is gathered comes data preparation. This step involves data cleaning and data transformation. Data cleaning is the most time-consuming process as it involves handling many complex scenarios. Here, Emma deals with inconsistent data types, misspelled attributes, missing values, duplicate values, and whatnot. Then, in data transformation, she modifies the data based on defined mapping rules. In a project, ETL tools like Talent and Informatica are used to perform complex transformations that helps the team to understand the data structure better. Then understanding what you actually can do with your data is very crucial. For that, Emma does exploratory data analysis. With the help of EDA, she defines and refines the selection of feature variables that will be used in the model development. But what if Emma skips this step? She might end up choosing the wrong variables, which will produce an inaccurate model. Thus, exploratory data analysis becomes the most important step. Now, she proceeds to the core activity of a data science project, which is data modeling. She repetitively applies diverse machine learning techniques like KNN, decision tree, naive Bayes to the data to identify the model that best fits the business requirement. She trains the models on the training dataset and tests them to select the best performing model. Emma prefers Python for modeling the data. However, it can also be done using R and SAS. Well, the trickiest part is not yet over: visualization and communication. Emma meets the clients again to communicate the business findings in a simple and effective manner to convince the stakeholders. She uses tools like Tableau, Power BI, and ClickView that can help her in creating powerful reports and dashboards. And then finally, she deploys and maintains the model. She tests the selected model in a pre-production environment before deploying it in the production environment, which is the best practice, right? After successfully deploying it, she uses reports and dashboards to get real-time analytics. Further, she also monitors and maintains the project's performance. Well, that's how Emma completes the data science project. We have seen the daily routine of a data scientist is a whole lot of fun, has a lot of interesting aspects, and comes with its own share of challenges. Now, let's see how data science is changing the world. Data science techniques along with genomic data provides a deeper understanding of genetic issues in reaction to particular drugs and diseases. Logistic companies like DHL, FedEx have discovered the best routes to ship, the best suited time to deliver, the best mode of transport to choose. thus leading to cost efficiency. With data science, it is possible to not only predict employee attrition, but to also understand the key variables that influence employee turnover. Also, the airline companies can now easily predict flight delay and notify the passengers beforehand to enhance their travel experience. Well, if you're wondering, there are various roles offered to a data scientist, like data analyst, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, data engineer, and of course, data scientist. The median base salaries of a data scientist can range from $95,000 to $165,000. So that was about the data science. Are you ready to be a data scientist? If yes, then start today. The world of data needs you. That's all from my side today. Thank you for watching. Comment below the next topic that you want to learn and subscribe to Simply Learn to get the latest updates on more such interesting videos. Thank you and keep learning.
I hope that here we will all grow together.
We grow together.